The pump of the well, it pumps
What
it
I
directly to the
love.
household. So it works all the time, and then it pumps directly to
Rotot
the
sila
household. The
mo.
excess water is being, I don't know, stays there, becomes stagnant, or leaks
Hindi
through
ko
the pipes.
hindi ka.
When we started filling the tank, we placed a float switch. So once the tank is filled, the pump automatically stops. So it does not work anymore. So that's how we save the electricity.
Well, electricity
Wala,
saving.
wala po
Yeah,
ganapin
that's
sa
for the village.
province.
Yeah, that's how we save the electricity. Now, based
Mga
on that, that's
kamangayo
why
manggod sila
we
ko ano
were
nga
talking
kuan ka.
amongst ourselves,
Butante ka din
having that
na.
as a model
Naman
instead
sa
of having
solo
because
parents, so ka
originally
nag-apply,
our village
5,000 din
it
monthly
had a
ana.
one-tank model. We had like that one big
Maghikay ka na lang
Albatross
mismo
tank.
sa DSWD.
The original
Ako wa
design
noon,
of
kay gi-apply
Engineer
unta ko
Wala
sa
was to
akong
have that
kagawa
big
dito
tank
sa
supply
Ormoc.
the
Unya
entire
kami lakaw
village.
man ko.
That's why the pipes that
Pwede
he
ra, ikaw
designed
mismo
for our
maghikay sa
village were these
DSWD.
huge
Solo parents.
pipes,
Oo.
which
Diba
costs
ma'am,
more
solo parents?
and is more
DSWD
difficult
solo
to,
parents ba na may
to
monthly,
install.
di ba? Parehas
So
na mo single
what
mom.
we did with
Oo.
full speed,
5,000
we
monthly,
decided
i-apply
to,
mo.
again, with consultation with Engineer Walag and Engineer Linia,
Mag-apply ka
we
mismo.
decided
Kay, og
to
hinay
make
ang...
the pipes smaller compared to what Engineer Walag was suggesting. And at the same time, at the back of our minds, we were also
Mag-apply
thinking that
ka.
we would, I mean, the village,
Ay
we were
pag
thinking that
ay
it
pagkuan
would
sa
be
imo
more
sa
sensible
taga
and
barangay
more
kay hinay kay na mulihok. Ikaw na lang mismo
sustainable
ang
if we
muhikay.
had plenty of small tanks rather than have this one huge tank in Albatross feeding the entire community. So that's the reason why with the pump numbers that were shown earlier and the electricity bill for each of those pumps, if we put small
Umay
tanks
pa kay
on those
pa dalion
areas,
man na nila basta
maybe
na
we
ay
can
nagkuan
apply
nimo
the
nga
same principle as what happened in Lundberg, that when the tanks get full, the float switch triggers and the pump doesn't work and we save electricity in the process.
Okay, thank you. Maybe suggesting in phase two, we should invest in the solar system. So have a pump on the solar system and you pay almost nothing. During the day, I mean.
Correct. Okay, so for the next part, I will be yes, do it.
Just lang, kasi biswerte niya sa ito. Naghapon galing yung taon. Christmas.
5,000 monthly.
We have the one.
Ako kasi makubla ka wa ko ka-apply.
56 years old. So, ang kinakailangan niya may isa.
Sayang.
No, problema ka
Apply.
ako may budget,
Sayang.
hindi ka lang do it on time. So, ako si Jake number 1 is, kung ato na ilisan, kung saan lang yun ako bungkag, magpulti ko na kuha. Ito, ibang ka na.
Dugay na.